to show you today how to do a touch-up of a paw pad using the lithium trimmer. So you just want to firstly hold your dog's foot and run it across the underside of the paw pad so that they feel the vibration and they're not afraid of it. And then we can just simply push it in underneath and take away all of the hair from behind the toenails and into the under the paw pad itself. This really easy to use little lightweight trimmer will make short work of all the hair that's underneath your paw pad. So when you get a dog that's a little bit, it can be a little bit ticklish to a dog having something buzzing underneath their paw pads. So, lots of kisses and cuddles and praise, and just being gentle with the tool. So making sure that you're not pressing the tool down and digging into the underside of the foot. You actually don't need to press down very hard at all because the clipper will do the work at removing the hair. So if they're a little bit ticklish and they're not being very cooperative, then just give them a break for a while. Lots of soothing pats and cuddles and kisses. Reassure them that we're not going to hurt them in any way, and it's just something they get used to. Good boy.